My favorite place is Vrindavan. It is very beautiful and peaceful place in India. I love this place very much because it is full of spirituality and positive energy. Vrindavan is famous for its temple, especially the Baki Bihari temple and Prem Mandir. These temples are very beautiful and attract many visitors from all over the world. Whenever I visit Vrindavan, I feel very calm and happy. The environment there is very peaceful and the sound of bhajans make me feel. I love walking near the Yamuna river and visiting different temples. The streets of Vrindavan are full of devotion and people are always chanting the name of Lord Krishna. Vrindavan is not just a place for me, it is an emotion. It gives me inner peace and happiness. I feel very close to God when I am there. If I get a chance, I would love to visit Vrindavan again and again. It is truly my most favorite place in the world. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. I hope you enjoyed learning about my favorite place. Do you also have a favorite place? Please tell me in the comments. If you get a chance, where would you like to go? I would love to know. Share your thoughts and experience in the comment section. If you want to learn more English, stay connected with me. I will keep bringing simple script and ideas for you every day. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep smiling.